Hello, I'm Stephen Cooley, and welcome to the Stephen Cooley Real Estate Show. Spring is here, and so I wanted to come out to York County Natural Gas and talk to Randy. Hey, Randy.
Hi, Stephen. How you doing?
Welcome to our show today, and the reason we're out here is it's time to get outside and enjoy your outdoor space, and with that comes outdoor cooking. So I wanted to come out here today and visit with York County Natural Gas. I bought my gas grill here, and when I bought it, Randy, I feel like it's a permanent purchase for my home, and it'll even stay with my house when I sell it because it's such quality. It's natural gas. I don't have to worry about those propane tanks anymore like I used to. So let's just talk about the options with gas grills and why to come to York County Natural Gas and get them, and let's just go down that road.
Okay, thanks, Stephen. York County Natural Gas, like Stephen said, he's had his grills for years.
Yes.
We have many customers that come back to us ready to replace a grill, and they've had their grill 15, 20 years plus, and they got it here then, and we've got great replacements now. The outdoor kitchen aspect or the outdoor living area, the grill is a perfect part of it. It becomes the centerpiece of taking everything outside. You can take your cooking outside. Don't mess up the kitchen, mess up the outside, it's a little bit easier on you. The grills that we do have a sale going on right now.
Yep.
It lasts through July the 3rd.
So you got a sale for York County Natural Gas from now to July 3rd.
July 3rd, yes, sir. And
perfect for the spring and summer season.
Yeah. And the big thing about the sales is we've got a lot of different packages presently. We've got our stainless steel grills, of which you see right here. We've got our cast grills, but mainly the thing that we have are grills that are very high quality and will last a very long time.
You know, Randy, I bought my first grill in 1985. It came in a box. When I put it together, I had about 20 extra parts left on the floor. It was a propane. It never worked correctly.
Gotcha.
And I was out of propane every time I walked outside to use the grill, or you were in the middle of cooking steaks and ran out of propane. And I was always cautious about driving around town with that propane tank in my car. I don't know, so waiting on it to explode. So natural gas, which is what I have now. I just want to say my grill is pushing 9 years old. It looks just like this today. And so the wear and tear on it's been almost none, and I've never run out of gas. Yep. You guys bring it out to the home, you install it, you hook it to the natural gas, and that afternoon people can come on home and cook on it.
Absolutely. It's a great thing. Like you had mentioned, building a grill is tough.
Awful. We
build them, we deliver them. If you have the gas line there, we hook to it. If you don't have a gas line, we can look at putting in a gas line
Absolutely.
For the grill. As far as the grill and where it goes, it can go different places. The grill that you see here is a large grill, but we have many grills, smaller ranges.
My grill in 1985 was about this big, yeah, and it held about 4 steaks. This looks like it would be in a restaurant.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you can do some major cooking on this gas grill.
Definitely on this one. This is the Cadillac. We've got infrared burners, side burners, searing burners, you name it.
It's got a night light.
Night light for cooking.
Yeah.
And during the sale, we do have several packages. In other words, giveaways. Our grill distributors give away certain things. Cutting boards, stainless steel bowl sets. There's several things that we are doing during our grill sale, not just money off, but added features that the customer would love to have.
Yeah, the quality of the grill, it being put together for you, and knowing that it's a long investment that's going to last a lifetime really makes the difference. The other big difference here at York County Natural Gas is you've got a showroom. They can come and see the grills and play with them and look at them. You've got an outdoor kitchen here, and it's just a great thing to come and do here at York County Natural Gas. Let's tell folks where York County Natural Gas is in Rock Hill so they can find the showroom and come and buy a grill.
Okay. We're basically on the corner of Cherry Road and Main Street, at 76 West Main Street. We do have a showroom. There's 2 buildings. We're the second building beside Wilson's Nursery.
That's absolutely.
Good landmark in Rock Hill. Coming to the showroom, we're open from 8:30 until 5.
Yeah.
So come in, we'll be glad to show you every option we have.
And you got great people who are not pushy. They just tell you what you got so you can make some really good decisions on your gas grills. A great addition to your home. We've even had some of these stay when people sell, and they bring value even when you resell. They're that kind of an improvement to the home, just like a big gas cooker in your kitchen. Randy, great information today. Thank you. Come visit York County Natural Gas while they're having a grill sale. We've got beautiful homes for sale in your area. We'll be right back. I hope you've enjoyed watching the Stephen Cooley Real Estate Show. If you're interested in advertising your business on the program, please give us a call at 803-326-2777. Join us next week for more discussions on real estate topics and help in finding your perfect home. Thanks for watching.